Opening shot, a sweeping view of the 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser Prado driving through rugged terrain, transitioning to a close-up of the front grille. Narrator: ladies and gentlemen, today we delve into the all-new 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser Prado, a vehicle that seamlessly blends rugged durability with modern sophistication. Transition to on-screen text, car details. Narrator: the 2025 Prado is built on Toyota's GAF platform, shared with the Land Cruiser 300 series, enhancing both frame and overall rigidity. Under the hood, it houses a 2.4-liter turbocharged inline 4-cylinder petrol engine, delivering 267 horsepower and 430 Nm of torque, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Cut to dynamic shots highlighting the exterior design. Narrator: the exterior design pays homage to its off-roading heritage with a more rugged and functional aesthetic. Notable features include replaceable bumper corners and elevated lamps positioned centrally to minimize impact damage. The hood's lowered center and raised sides improve driver visibility, while an upright A-pillar and door-mounted mirrors further enhance the field of view. Transition to interior shots showcasing the cabin's features. Narrator: inside, the Prado offers a spacious and practical cabin. The dashboard features strong horizontal lines, creating an open feel and improving outside visibility. Controls are intuitively placed, with unified toggle and push switches designed for ease of use, even during off-road adventures. Cut to scenes of passengers enjoying the ride, highlighting seating and comfort features. Narrator: comfort is paramount in the new Prado. The vehicle offers multi-adjustable power and ventilated front and second row seats, ensuring a pleasant journey regardless of the terrain. The tri-zone automatic air conditioning system with rear AC vents allows personalized climate control for all passengers. Showcase the Prado navigating various terrains to demonstrate performance. Narrator: performance-wise, the Prado is equipped with advanced all-terrain support systems, including central and rear differential locks and improved wheel articulation, enhancing its off-road capabilities. The multi-terrain select system now features an auto mode that adjusts to various road conditions, such as sand, rock, dirt, and mud, ensuring optimal performance across diverse landscapes. Return to a hero shot of the Prado against a scenic backdrop. Narrator: in conclusion, the 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser Prado stands American Samoa, a testament to Toyota's commitment to blending durability with modern advancements. Its thoughtful design, comfortable interior, and robust performance make it a compelling choice for those